Good morning and welcome to the listing ceremony of ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF. Today, we join CSOP Asset Management team, employees and partners in celebrating this significant milestone. ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF is the world's largest pure Chinese government bond ETF and CSOP Asset Management's first ETF listing in Singapore. China's onshore bond market is the second largest in the world. Today's listing will allow global investors to capture the attractive opportunities of China's onshore bond market in an efficient, transparent, and cost-effective manner. Without further ado, let us introduce Mr. Loh Boon Chan, CEO of SingaporeExchange, to say a few words.
On behalf of SingaporeExchange, I would like to extend our heartiest congratulations to CSOP Asset Management on the successful listing of ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF on SGX. We would also like to congratulate all those who made the launch and listing of this landmark ETF possible, namely FTSE Russell, ICBC Asset Management Hong Kong, and ICBC Wealth Management Beijing, as well as the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Today's listing marks several significant achievements. First, it is the largest Chinese government bond-focused ETF globally. This ETF has been widely anticipated by the market and is thus no surprise that it has garnered such strong initial investor interest. Second, it is CSOP Asset Management's inaugural ETF listing in Singapore. SGX is delighted to welcome CSOP Asset Management, a well-known ETF leader in Asia, and we're honored to be the listing venue of choice for their milestone ETF. Third, this ETF is also the first investment fund to tap on MAS and ACRA's new Variable Capital Companies or VCC framework launched this year. China's bond market is the world's second largest at $15 trillion. Global fixed income investors have been turning to Chinese sovereign bonds for added diversification and yields. This ETF will help investors to capture the opportunities of China's onshore bond markets in an efficient and cost-effective manner. With Chinese government bonds continuously included in the world's major global indices, international investors have been increasing their exposure to these bonds, leading to billions of dollars flowing into China's bond market in recent years. As Asia's most international and connected exchange, SGX is delighted to provide a multi-asset platform that supports the internationalization of China and increase investor access to Asia's largest emerging market. Over the past few years, SGX ETF market has grown considerably. The strong growth in SGX ETF market reflects the growing adoption of ETF investing. In recent years, we have seen growing investor interest towards yield-focused products. SGX will continue to work with issuers and business partners to develop a multi-asset ETF product shelf that meets the demand of the investment community. In closing, let me once again congratulate all our partners on this significant achievement. We wish you the very best and look forward to opportunities for further collaboration in the future. Thank you, and may I now pass the time to Mr. Zhou Yi, Chairman of CSOP Asset Management.
尊敬的罗文才首席执行官、女士们、先生们，今天我们共同见证公营南方东英富时中国国债指数 ETF 在新加坡交易所上市。这是南方东英在新加坡发行的第一支 ETF 产品。在此，我要向新加坡金融管理局和新加坡交易所表达最诚挚的感谢。这也是我们与中国工商银行战略合作的又一里程碑。感谢工商银行、富时指数以及各位合作伙伴的大力支持。我相信，在中国资本市场加速双向开放、中国国债指数纳入国际指数的背景下，这支产品的成功上市，必将有利于推进人民币国际化进程，助力新加坡开创离岸人民币中心建设的新纪元。谢谢。
Dear Mr. Low, ladies and gentlemen, today we are delighted to celebrate the launching and listing of ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF in Singapore. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks for the strong support from MAS and Singapore Exchange. This ETF offers global investors an efficient and competitive investment tool for their asset allocation on Chinese government bonds. As one of the major participants and sponsors of the ETF, ICBC Asia will continue to deliver high-quality asset management solutions globally. Last but not least, we sincerely wish the great success of this ETF. Thank you, and wishing all of you safety and healthy.
Congratulations on the listing of the ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF on SGX today. This China Bond ETF is one of the largest to be launched globally. The listing of this landmark product also marks many firsts. It is the first China Bond ETF in Singapore, the first product launched on SGX by CSOP Asset Management, and the first ETF incorporated as a variable capital company. The launch of this ETF affirms the cost efficiencies that can be reaped by using Singapore's variable capital company framework. It also allows CSOP to enjoy co-location benefits of having their investment management company and investment fund vehicle in the same jurisdiction. The ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF offers a low-cost and liquid avenue for global investors to increase their allocations to China assets. This is timely, as China bonds are gradually being included in major bond indices and increasingly becoming a core part of globally diversified portfolios. Singapore connects global investors to Asia's promising investment opportunities. As a key financial center in Asia, we constantly seek new ways to offer the world seamless access to China-focused products. And this ETF listing is the fruit of such efforts. I wish this listing every success, and may this be the first of many partnerships between SGX, CSOP, and ICBC.
The countdown to the listing of ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to CSOP Asset Management on your successful listing of ICBC CSOP FTSE Chinese Government Bond Index ETF, and we wish you all the very best. Thank you everyone for joining us in celebrating this milestone.